Hello boys and girls, welcome to today's English lesson, boys and girls. Now our English lesson today is a little bit like some of our phonics lesson because we're going to be practicing reading some three-letter words, okay boys and girls? But this is going to be a little bit of practice because we've been doing some of this before. Now it's going to have one letter in the middle of the word. So what letter is it going to be, Scooby? It's going to be the letter E, okay? And we all know what sound does the letter E make? Okay, so we're going to be doing three-letter words with a sound in the middle. Okay, Scooby? So, what word can we use first, I think? Can we use Scooby? Do we have an in the middle? No. Can we use Scooby? Does dog have an in the middle? No. But Scooby, we could say, is my pet. Is Scooby my pet dog? Remember we did pet animals, guys. You know, I have a pet cat, a pet dog, a pet fish. So Scooby is my pet dog. Okay, you might have a pet dog at home. So we're going to make the word pet. Okay, Scoops? Okay, so I'm going to go to the blackboard, guys, and we're going to do it together. Okay, so let's go first. So our first word is going to be the word p-e-t. P-e-t. Okay, so we've got p-e-t. Okay, nice and easy, boys and girls. Three-letter word. P-e-t. P-e-t. Pet. P-e-t. Pet. P-e-t. Pet. Okay, so that's our first word. We did p-e-t. Pet. Okay, so say bye-bye to the word pet. Our next one, boys and girls. What number is it? It's the number 10. Okay, so that's our next word. We're going to make the word 10. Okay, there's an E in the middle. Okie dokie, we go back to the board. So, choose the colour. So we've got T, E, we've got T, E, T, E, 10. T, E, 10. To 10. Okay, very good. So we're back to number 10. What can we use? I'm a little bit sleepy, boys and girls. If I go to sleep, I would go to sleep in my bed. Okay, so bed has the short in the middle. So we're going to make the word b-e-d. Okay, go to on the board. Okay, I think I'll choose the colour blue. So, making the word bed. So we've got b-e-d. Okay, can you read that, boys and girls? B-e-d, 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 bed, b-e-d, bed, b-e-d, bed. Okay, fantastic, boys and girls. We've got 2 to go. So bye-bye to the word bed. The next one, boys and girls, is going to be a part of the body with an E sound in the middle. Nose? No. Arm? No. It's going to be my... What is it, boys and girls? It's my leg. Okay, so we've got L, E, G. L, E, G. Okay, so we'll do it on the board. I'm going to choose the colour pink this time. Okie dokie. So we've got L, E, G. So L, E, G. L, E, G, leg. L, E, G, leg. L, E, G, leg. Okay, that's full. We've only got 1 to go, guys. 1 to go. Let me think. Now, Scooby, give me the water bottle. Does water bottle have an S sound? No. Oh, I think I know what it means. You know, sometimes, boys and girls, if it's you go for a shower, or if you're going in the rain, you can get a little bit. Oh no! I put some water on my head and I got a little bit wet. Okay, wet. So we've got wet. Let's go and do it on the board. Last one, guys. Okay. So we'll choose the colour green. So we've got wet. Wet. Okay, guys? So that's our English lesson for today, is just to practice some words with an E sound in the middle. So what did we have? We had ten, pet, leg, bed, and wet. Okay, guys? Now I've got 2 games for you to play at home, and I want you to find something around the house with an E sound in the middle and take a photo or send a video. It could be a bed, a pen, a pet, okay? Anything like that, okay? See you next time, guys. Bye-bye.